I got in a new eyeshadow palette from the TikTok shop. It is with fingerprints and everything. Opening it up, this is what it looks like. And we're gonna do a gray look today using these. So we're gonna take the lightest on a fluffy brush, tap off, and we're gonna hit up here and move our way down. And again, pick up, tap off, watch the smoke, and dabby dabby, dabby dabby. Next one, we're gonna go the next lightest. Going for the darkest. And then back to the fluffy one for blending. And blending over here. I'm going to pick up some of the glitter. Pencil brush. We're going to do the light and the medium. Tap, tap for underneath. Quiet. Here we go. We'll see how the eyeshadow lasts through the day.